Hello, and welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants. In this video, we will take a look at how we propagate bamboo from rhizome cuttings. This is a great way to learn to propagate new bamboo plants without having to buy them from a nursery. Cutting the rhizomes. The first step is to find a healthy bamboo plant that you want to propagate from. Importantly, select rhizomes that have buds that show signs of new growths. Once you've found the ideal plant, use a pair of sharp secateurs to cut off a section of the rhizome. The rhizome is the underground stem of the bamboo plant, and it's where the new roots and shoots will develop. That is the crucial stage, so choose the cuttings carefully. Preparing the cuttings. Once you've cut off a section of the rhizome, you need to prepare it for planting. First, cut off any excess roots or leaves. Then, make a clean cut at the end of the rhizome. You can also dip the end of the rhizome in rooting hormone to help encourage root growth. Planting the cuttings. Now it's time to plant the bamboo cuttings. Fill a pot with well-drained soil or potting mix and make holes in the center of the pot. Place the bamboo cuttings in the holes and cover them with the potting mix. Water the cuttings well and place the pot in a spot where there is indirect sunlight. Caring for the cuttings. Keep the bamboo cuttings moist, but not soggy. You should start to see new roots and shoots developing within a few weeks. Once the new shoots are a few inches tall, you can transplant the bamboo plants into the ground or into larger pots. Apply slugs and snail pellets to stop the bugs from disturbing the new shoots. Check on them regularly. To get the latest insights on bamboo plants and bamboo gardening, subscribe to our channel today. Bamboo in pots. As you saw in the video, I have bamboo plants that have been in pots for just over 2 years and are now over a meter tall. After replanting, these bamboo plants will grow taller every year until they reach their maximum height. Bamboo can be grown in pots indefinitely, but you will need to repot them into larger pots as they grow. You can also watch our videos on how to grow bamboo in pots and containers, and learn how to use a bamboo root barrier to grow bamboo plants. Important care tips. To help prevent slugs and snails from eating your new bamboo shoots, you can apply slug and snail pellets around the base of your plants. You can also cover the base of your plants with a layer of grit or mulch to help deter slugs and snails. This will also preserve moisture that the new bamboo plants need. Bamboo is a relatively low-maintenance plant, but it is important to water it regularly, especially during the growing season. Hope you learn how to successfully propagate bamboo from rhizome cuttings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more bamboo gardening tips.